Yep, just drop your hood. You can touch the wire to it and you can start going. Now get down close. All right, you're gonna touch and then start. And go slow. Hear that sound?
Yeah.
That's what you want to hear. So like popcorn pop. YouTube and just look up like welding terms, welding slang, welding talk.
Okay.
Because that'll help you a lot. It really will. But you're getting that right there because what you're doing is you're starting to move too fast, and your shielding gas is leaving. The shielding gas that's around that wire. There's my go-to is my thumb on here.
Thumb on there, your index on there.
Because that allows you a pivot point.
Yeah.
And you know, so I'll go in here and because I'm trying to run this is going to be a little different. You know, you're dragging back now, so you want to make sure your head's down here. You put that right in that valley. You're going to use this cup as a guide, okay? And then you're just going to run down in there, and you're going to go about like this. Even closer. Even closer. There you go. Can you see it real well?
Yeah.
All right. You can even make shapes. You can start to write your name and stuff like that.